in Loveland, Ohio. He has an ORAS score of 10 FTAs, no prior criminal record, which I'm aware of. We'd request a lower bond, Your Honor.
From the state,
There's nothing additional.
what was the alleged substance?
Judge, methamphetamine, and it looks like a pipe.
There is one prior misdemeanor, 0 failures to appear. Would be OR bonds and more. Verge,
Judge, grand jury will be 11-6, 11-6.
Thank you.
Excuse me, I'm sorry, 11-12 on the OR.
Thank you.
Bird.
Judge Wade, probable cause, not guilty on behalf of Mr. Burge.
all right, Esteban,
As a bond, Your Honor, Mr. Burge has 0 failures to appear. It looks like he hasn't had any contact since 2019, or at least hasn't had any convictions since 2019. Judge, I'm gonna link Mr. Burge up with my social work department. It sounds like he needs a little bit of assistance with employment and possibly housing. And so, he tells me he just needs a little bit of help to go in a better direction, Judge, so we're asking for a supervised OR. These are low-level felonies, F5, F4.
Judge,
state,
yes, thank you. Looks like he does have some record, at least locally, as well as this particular incident involves a traffic stop. He fled recklessly from that traffic stop, at times going the wrong way and running red lights, which creates a serious danger. The officers felt that it put the public and officer safety in serious jeopardy. This ended after he wrecked his vehicle, and then he fled on foot. So we are going to request a bond that is commensurate with the record and these circumstances.
there's 1 violent felony, 1 felony, 5 misdemeanors, 0 failures to appear. And the obstruction, 1,000 anyway. On the failure to comply, 10,000 anyway. On the reckless driving, 1,000 anyway. On the traffic light violation and improper signal return, or
Did you consider an alternate EMU?
11-5, 11-5.
Everything.
Everything.
Walton,
Thank you.
Good morning, Your Honor. We will waive probable cause, enter a not guilty plea.
Esteban,
Thank you, Your Honor. As to bond, Mr. Walton's 18 years old, Your Honor. He is living at a independent living program. It's called Changing Lives. It's a group home. He's been there for roughly 4 months now. Tells me he'll be able to go back there, Your Honor. He's got his grandmother and his mother here locally. I've got contact information for both of them and Mr. Walton. I see no criminal history, including none as a youth, Your Honor. No failures to appear in court either. The prosecuting witness is someone he's known for a few years now. I believe they consider themselves friends. He absolutely denies these allegations. I will point out, Your Honor, that another individual was charged in this incident with carrying a concealed weapon. He is under the age of 18, so his case is in juvenile court. And I believe he was charged with carrying the firearm at issue in this case. My client denies having that firearm, denies using it. When police arrested him, he didn't have the gun on him. He didn't have this person's shoes on him either. So I just point out those facts. I think the court should be aware of that. He cannot afford any bond. I'm asking any monetary bond you impose. I'd ask you to consider an alternate with EMU so he can go back to his independent living program. He is looking for a job as well, Your Honor.
Judge, allegations include that they responded to the scene. They were advised by the victim that the defendant was waving a handgun around and pointed the gun in his face and stated to him, "Run me them shoes," ordering the victim at gunpoint to give him his shoes. Additionally, he would not let him leave until he did so. That's where we're getting the abduction. They responded and observed the defendant, the person mentioned, running from the scene. They placed him in custody. They searched the area. They located a firearm in front of the victim's apartment. That's what I'm reading here. The officers did background on the firearm, and it turns out that it was stolen. This is very serious conduct. It looks like it was described as a black and silver semi-automatic pistol, which apparently has been recovered. We are going to ask for monetary bond, significant monetary bond, E&D, stay away and no contact from the victim, and no firearms during dependency. It does appear that he is under the age, at least as it stands right now, to possess one.
The F1 aggravated robbery, 15,000 secured plus no firearms. The F3 abduction, 10,000 secured plus no firearms. The receiving stolen property, 5,000 anyway. As defense counsel stated, Mr. Walton does not have any record, any failures to appear, or the bond would be higher than it should be. Or
11-5, 11-5.
Thank you.
We would waive probable cause, Your Honor, as to be heard as to bond.
Before you do that, is there anything from the state?
No, Your Honor.
Mr. Ward, you waive probable cause?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Ward has no record at all, a daughter juvenile, one prior failure to appear. The allegation is non-violent, allegedly depriving $5,000 by transferring money to his account from another customer's account at Kimber Credit Union. It'll be a OR bond.
11-10, 11-10.
Felony one.
Thank
Do you have, felony one? When you hear your name called, come to the door, the deputy will let you in. April Coleman, Brett, Tom, Brett Timperman.
Your Honor, we have probable cause.
Ms. Coleman.
Not guilty on behalf of Ms. Coleman.
I set OR bond last night. She showed up today. Is there anything from the state?
Nothing additional, Judge. Grand jury will be on the OR 11-10, 11-10.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Mr. Timperman?
Good morning, Your Honor.
He received no
Mr. Templeton.
All right.
He's standing to my right.
Standard 1,000 or the other two.
All right, so he had a waive probable cause.
Will waive probable cause and enter a plea of not guilty.
All right. So the A charge had a standard
Correct,
of
1,000.
1,000 anyway. And then the others, I gave OR
Correct.
last night. Is there anything
We would ask for an OR bond on all charges. He has no prior criminal history, no prior history of not appearing. He was employed as a software engineer full-time at Workday until about a month ago. He was laid off through no fault of his own. He's currently going through separation through his spouse, and his child lives up here in Loveland. He has a 9-year-old son here. He's trying to locate a job to,
You don't have to.
okay.
Or is there anything from the state? There is no record except for one minor misdemeanor, no failures to appear.
The only thing we request is no firearms during dependency because he failed to notify law enforcement when asked. Other than that, we have no objection to the bonds. It has been set and posted.
It would be an OR bond.
1110.
Putting the no firearm restriction.
Bar or not, Your Honor?
I'm not.
11:10 at 9 a.m. Is that correct?
10:30.
10:30?
He'll need to go sign for the OR so that he can get the money back from the standard fund.
Okay. What is that? I don't know. Thank you. Appreciate it.
A bios, you know, Abel's or a bios.